Hello everyone, I just want to show you how you can get some feedback about your script. So as long as you have it turned in, I should have left a little feedback for you. To get that, you can just go back to that assignment. It might be in your to-do or coming up or somewhere on the right-hand side. Otherwise, you can click on the final project module and get back to it. I'm just going to go that way since I know I will find it there. And then I'm going to click on the rough draft of the podcast script. And once that loads, you'll see the information in the upper right that, hey, it got turned in. What I want to do is click on the submission details. So you should see a little blue arrow right below the green check mark that says submission details. That will bring you to a screen that looks like this. You'll see some general comments on the right hand side, and those are just some overall remarks. Good job, or something like that. Nothing very specific. For that, you're going to have to go in and view my feedback. And I might just tell you to go view my feedback. That means things are looking good, but I've got some specific stuff I want you to look at. So what you want to click on here in the middle of the screen is not the PDF file or the name of the file you submitted. You want to click on that view feedback. And it should load a window like this. You may have to manipulate your screen a little bit, especially on the smaller MacBook Air screens. It might not show up too well. What I'm going to try to do is leave at least a few pieces of specific feedback in your document that you can look at. Here you can see I've got a box. It's connected to this arrow here, so I'm just talking about the title in this case. I actually drew a box around this line and asked a question over here. The third thing here, I just highlighted a word and asked another question. And I can also put feedback directly on the page itself, but usually I'll try to use these comment boxes.